Money, 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 money. Monday. Money, 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 money. Monday. Hello, world, and welcome to Mind Over Money Mondays with Timolin. I am Timolin Langin, coming to you from Los Angeles. Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be discussing more money matters than just money nuggets, because I'm sure you all have heard about this school in Houston, Texas that has enacted a dress code for parents. And according to this article, Madison High School forbids the following on school premises: pajamas of any kind, leggings that show your bottom, low-cut tops that reveal your breasts, Daisy Dukes and hair rollers, and a satin cap or bonnet. And the same article goes on to ask the question: refreshing, overstepping, or just plain racist? Well, here's my teacher, money magnet, Southern-born perspective. I think we have to look at schools similarly to the workplace. And I tell my students all the time that your first job is that of a student. Being a student is a job. It is work. And in many ways, this is your first entry into the workplace. And how you present yourself actually matters. And I'm writing a new book about this very topic, and I speak at length about the correlation between school and work. And I know the dress code is for the parents, but I would imagine that in many school districts, even the students have a dress code. And there is a reason for that, guys. And so most places of business have a uniform or some sort of expectation around what is considered proper attire. In many spaces, be it coffee shops, your Whole Food grocery stores, or even the club, there is an unspoken, unwritten rule and expectation about what is considered proper ways to dress. I wouldn't wear a bathing suit to work. A bathing suit would be appropriate at the beach. So perhaps the way the parents were introduced to the dress code is open for debate. A written dress code actually sounds extreme for the parents, but I do think some decorum needs to be considered and practiced. While parents shouldn't have to dress as if they're going to the office, they should also be mindful of the fact that they are not going to the hair salon or the club. Jeans, sweatpants, comfortable attire is fine. Remember, it is indeed a high school campus, and you do have impressionable teens on the campus. So I believe in both parents and school officials alike want to practice behaviors that are consistent with a high-performing instructional environment, just as we would in the workplace. So I think this is not even a question of dress code or anything like that, but simply finding the right balance. Parents and officials meet somewhere in the middle. It takes a village to educate a child. All of us, teachers, administrators, parents, and the community at large, working together. Tell me your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think. Share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and we will see you next Monday on Mind Over Money Mondays. And remember, financial success is not a gift. It is a habit.